wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best fish tanks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Available in 3 sizes, the Marina LED comes with a water conditioner and a biological supplement, both of which foster a healthy environment for your aquatic friends. You'll also receive a net and a booklet with advice on maintenance and care. It includes a sturdy clip-on filter and a daylight effect lighting module. However, the lid is a pain to remove. At number 9, the fluval Edge boasts an elegant and attractive design thanks to its seamless 6-sided profile and sleek pedestal, which make it seem like it's suspended in midair. Its completely sealed cover allows it to be filled to the brim. It suffers from very little water evaporation and a column hides the wiring, but it is difficult to clean. Coming in at number 8 on our list, setting the koller aquatunes apart from the competition is its sturdy one-piece construction and the inclusion of built-in audio. It can play the calming sounds of bubbling brooks and ocean waves, which makes it a fun choice for placement in a child's room. It offers a filter flow rate of 25 gallons per hour and connects to Android and iOS devices. However, the lights burn out quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fish tanks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you can experience a clear all-around view of your aquatic pets with the sleek and seamless 10 by 10 inch tetra cube, which fits nicely in tight kitchens, dorms or offices. It includes a handy feeding hole in its lid and a bright overhead LED light. It comes with a low-voltage power adapter and is affordably priced, but the air pump is noisy. Moving up our list to number 6. Whether it's for a new hobby or teaching your child how to care for a first pet, the glofish crescent is a worthwhile option. The plastic canopy is equipped with a convenient feeding hole, while the curved front ensures an unobstructed view. It's good for fluorescent species, and the cartridges are simple to replace. However, it needs to be cleaned often. Halfway up our list at number 5. In addition to a low-profile hood and white LEDs, the Aqueon aquarium kit features a 100-watt heater, a stick-on thermometer and a net. Its low-maintenance Quiet Flow Pro filter is equipped with an indicator that flashes when it's time for a cartridge change. It comes with an easy-to-follow setup guide and is made in the USA, but its lid could use some hinges. At number 4, the desktop-sized penn plax vertex holds 2.7 gallons of water and can accommodate a single betta or a group of shrimp. It's made of 1/8 of an inch thick glass that forms curved corners in the front, which allows for a clear view from any angle. It operates quietly and includes a digital thermometer. However, it doesn't come with a light. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the sleek modern coralife biocube comes with almost everything you need to create a healthy and elegant home for your aquatic friends. An integrated 24-hour timer with 3 independent channels allows you to mimic the natural day cycle. It includes a powerful pump and a built-in filtration chamber. It's available in 16 and 32 gallon sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fish tanks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, thanks to its resilient acrylic construction, the seaclear 50-gallon is lighter and more impact-resistant than most of its glass counterparts. It's offered with either a clear, cobalt blue or deep black background to suit your aesthetic preferences. It comes with a 24-inch light fixture backed by a lifetime warranty. It's good for fresh or saltwater species. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the marineland portrait features a hinged overhead light fixture, and you can turn on the shimmering white LEDs or the subdued blue ones to create the effect you desire. Its back panel hidden filtration system incorporates an adjustable flow pump. It includes a sliding canopy for easy access and smooth rounded corners. It's a good size for a betta. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fish tanks, or simply click beneath this video.